I'm Steve McCauley with Bill Estes Ford. I want to do a quick walk around video on this Ford F-150 Lightning that you're interested in. It is certified, has 21,000 miles on it. Really nice inside, leather, all that stuff, bigger touchscreen. Super nice vehicle. It's a Lariat. Carbonized gray metallic. Bed liner. .360 camera. Super nice vehicle. If you have any questions on this vehicle or any others I have on the lot, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Steve McCauley. Bill Estes Ford. 317-384-4999. Thanks a lot and have a great day.